In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header menu on Prestashop. Whether you're setting up your online store or simply need to make some quick adjustments, knowing how to manage your header menu is essential for an effective web store experience. So let's dive right in and walk through the necessary steps together. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Prestashop back office dashboard, your command center for managing all aspects of your online store. This is where our journey begins today, and it's where you'll find all the tools necessary to customize and tweak your website just the way you like it. Next, let's look for the design section. It's your go-to area for anything related to your store's appearance, holding the key to theme and layout options. Clicking on the design will unfurl another set of choices. Among them is theme and logo section, which is precisely where we need to go. Within this hub, the possibilities are expansive. This is where crucial edits and changes to the visual elements of your site can be made. Now, you want to zero in on the page configuration option. Then head over to the homepage section where all things related to your homepage layout await your magic touch. Make sure to focus on the main menu configure option, as it's the centerpiece for our tutorial today. Once you click here, you'll be transported to the configuration page, a space buzzing with options to add, remove, or rearrange menu items with ease. On this page, you'll spot a variety of options for enhancing your menu. You can add categories to structure products neatly or include essential pages like About Us to provide more information to your visitors. Custom links can also be brought into the mix, serving as a spotlight for specific content or directing visitors to external sites you want to showcase. For adding categories, simply select your desired category from the drop-down list and click the Add button. If a custom link is what you're going for, just enter a meaningful label alongside its URL and click Add, and it's set in your menu. Adjusting the order of items is a breeze too. Just select the item you need to move and either drag and drop it into its new position or utilize the Change Position feature for a seamless arrangement. And if there's anything that's no longer necessary, just click on the item and hit Remove to clean up your menu. Once your menu's customized to perfection, remember to save the changes to see them go live on your site. Also, consider incorporating a search bar within the menu to make navigation smoother for your customers, a handy addition that can be configured through the module. Lastly, always take a moment to assess your menu's positioning concerning other elements like the header and footer. Doing so will ensure a crisp, cohesive, and user-friendly layout runs consistently across your web page. Equipped with these steps, you're ready to master the header menu of your Prestashop store with confidence. Happy editing!